Yo, this is Kate and Greg's bike check. I got my plastic cars with my Odyssey Path tire, with my Audi TT steering wheel, with my Ford Focus. I got a Right, well, I got a Maserati door on my sunroof, as you can see. It's very flexible. This is a Lamborghini. Yeah, I made it myself because I'm cool with my own workshop, aka garage. Right, in my boot, I've got my seat, so if I need a shit, I can just have a turn. Oh no, what's that do? This is where I stick you know, my penis in a pretty big gap, hey? I mean, what do you expect? Yeah, that's it. Open. Yeah, pogo stick make. Shout out conspiracy. You know that? You know that? Okay, I'm sorry.
Right, I'm actually going to a real bike check now.
Okay.
Boom. Right, I'm Liam Eyles. It's my bike. Starting from the top, got Odyssey. What did I say? Chainsaw grip. Sorry, forgotten what they were. Yeah, they're fat. A-bike co-bar ends, which are like fucked. If you look at that one, right, it's fallen off. Weird people bars. Don't know which ones. They're just like big, and they're red. I think, yeah, they're Mad Max, aren't they?
Yep.
I don't know. They're 8.25 by 29 or 8.5. I'm not sure. Then I've got stem. Got fit. So DLD or DLR, I'm not sure. A fit stem basically. Headset, stolen, integrated, forks, Primo, kamikaze, front hub, E-clat hub in brown, which is flangeless, and Primo spikes, a red skylark rim, Federal Kevlar tyre. Right, frame is Federal Hamilton frame, it's the 091. And then sprocket is salt sprocket is shit, but can't get my cranks off, so. Then chain is a Shadow half link chain. Got that off a friend for free, so yeah. Illegal cranks. Paint's starting to wear off a bit. Some shitty mongoose pedals, which are odd because the other one's different. Got my I Heart Lum sticker because my nickname's Lum. Yeah. Shadow seat, which ripped after like a day. Not great. McNeil seat post. Got rear hub is 20 Highland, which is pretty nice. I'll show you what it sounds like in a minute. Primo spokes again, and then Alienation black sheep rim, and an Odyssey Path tyre. And this is what the wheel sounds like. Not too bad. Quite loud. Not the loudest ever, but it's alright hub. I think that's about it, and that's Kate and Greg, and that's his amazing car and his mongoose. Katen, can you grab my wheels from over there quickly? Wait, alright.
Oh, my head. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's bleeding as well.
Oh.